Hi, Bob. So you mentioned earlier in the newscast that we're not going to get quite as warm as we thought we were today, but after today, the bottom really drops out in the 7-day, doesn't it?
Yeah, I scaled back the daytime high. I just think we're just going to have a little bit too much cloud cover to hit 88. I think 86 is probably more likely. Well, let's take a look at our BSU football forecast. Looking ahead to Friday, BSU takes on the Washington Huskies, 71 degrees at 6 p.m., 8 o'clock temperature about 66, 10 o'clock about 60. And game time is at 8:15. Strangely enough, the sunset is exactly 8:15 on Friday's date as well. So here's what we have as far as our weather headlines. We're looking at one more fairly warm day, despite some clouds that have moved in just to the northwest. You'll see those on the satellite map. Cooler and breezy for tomorrow. Some showers, question mark for Friday and Saturday. It's a 20% chance, but there is at least a chance of getting a little bit of rain on those days. And warmer next week. There's our red flag warnings in the pink. Closest one, Chalice, East Central Mountains basically, and still some air quality issues around John Day from wildfire smoke. There we have some cloud filtered sunshine, mostly cloudy skies out there right now, and our current temperature 77 degrees, winds out of the north-northeast at 7, humidity at 25%. Our almanac page for this Wednesday, September the 2nd, looking at a high of 86 degrees for today. That's what we're forecasting now. A couple degrees above normal. The overnight low 63 on the mild side because of possibly a little bit more cloud cover tucking us in tonight. On our satellite map, we have a low pressure system spinning just off the Canadian coast. It's moved a little farther inland. Eventually, it's going to track to the southeast a bit. And we are also getting a little bit more cloud cover. Most of the clouds to our northwest, but just enough skimming across our area that we're getting mostly cloudy skies. At times, we might be closer to mostly sunny today, or the clouds might thin out a bit. But we have an approaching cold front that will really drop down our temperatures today. Fairly warm, even though we're getting some cloud cover. Looks like maybe some breaks in the clouds downstream there. That's why I'm saying at times we might be closer to partly cloudy, maybe even mostly sunny, but right now, definitely mostly cloudy out there. Well, here is our tight satellite view. You can see the clouds that have overspread the Boise area. And here is our futurecast. Futurecast not picking up on that cloud cover as well, but it is picking up on this front that pushes on through. There's Thursday morning at 9:05. Some isolated showers possible for our mountains. It moves slowly to the east. The big feature will be some much cooler temperatures. Also, the winds will be picking up. Some isolated showers also possible, and there's only a slight chance here, mainly Friday morning, also again Saturday afternoon. Here's our future winds. Winds picking up a little bit, not quite as much as earlier computer models, but sustained in the early morning hours Thursday morning, dying down a bit. As far as rainfall accumulation, most of that confined well to our northwest, but some of our mountain locations could pick up some decent amounts like Stanley and Salmon and McCall, maybe picking up a little bit of measurable precip. Sunny for Twin Falls, high in the 80s today, 75 for Sun Valley and around McCall and Cascade. Daytime highs in the 70s, mostly cloudy skies with some areas of smoke. Mostly cloudy for a good portion of the day, mostly sunny for tomorrow, much cooler. There's that slight chance of rain either Friday and Saturday, maybe even a thunderstorm. Saturday's our cool day that warm it up for the weekend.